I know it doesn't look like much, but weeding this took me literally 6 hours today. It was so overgrown. I can't even tell you. Like some of the chickpeas, so this is my first year growing chickpeas or garbanzo beans. And I didn't even know how many were there. I couldn't see them because it was all this tall. So I think I may have accidentally pulled up one or two. But yeah, this is interesting. And actually I will definitely be doing these again. Super easy. I mean, they're I guess in the legume family. But they sprouted up, just pretty much right along with the beans. You can see a couple of them were casualties. I don't know if they'll make it, but I've got a lot, so I'm okay with the beans. But yeah, so this is kind of interesting. And I still have little bits of crabgrass growing up in here, but yeah, I'm calling it a win. I've got to finish. So I have my tomatoes in pots still, but I've got a lot of spinach coming up. So this is awesome. I love spinach. And I've got some Buttercrisp lettuce growing back here. My poor peas, I don't think that they got enough sun. They're just whatever. And interestingly enough, the romaine did not come up at all. So I don't know if they were just bad seeds or what. Sorry about the yucky metal. I use it to keep the critters from sticking their heads through and eating my vegetables. But my peppers have some flowers on them. So this one's just got mostly buds. That one's got some flowers about to start opening, so that's cool. And my carrots, they're kind of microscopic. I don't know if I'll actually have carrots, but there's a few. I kind of just threw them over here. But even when I was weeding, just trying to weed between these microscopic carrot seedlings and all of this lettuce is like doing like brain surgery, because it's just growing up in between everything, and if you pull the weed too hard, it uproots the seedlings. So anyway, yeah, but this, I've got to finish doing all of this for tomatoes. And I actually have another section that used to be a pony / sheep pen that I'm going to do the corn and a bunch of the squash because it just needs a lot more space than. Yes. Hello, Phoenix. Ah, pretty girl. This is a gooseberry. So, again, I mean, you can see how tall these weeds are. They're stupid tall. So it was getting lost. I had to dig it out. Anyway, yeah, I'll get the rest of this out of here. It won't, well, a few more hours, I guess. It's coming up pretty easy. So, just am ripping it out and throwing it over the fence for these two troublemakers. Ah, baby. All right. Anyway, that's what I did today. And hopefully we'll have a halfway decent fall harvest this year. So, all right, y'all. Happy gardening.